My name is Chris Doty, and I'm new to making videos, but my company's called Forge Your Own Way. I've been doing laser work for almost a year now, and just bought a newer laser. It's a Chinese laser. It's the Haotian HT-460, and we're going to just do a quick unboxing of the HT-460 so you guys have an idea of what comes in the box and what it looks like and what to expect. So we'll get into it. There's some latches on top. They came off pretty easy. Otherwise, you got to take some screws, or I just kind of bend that down. So anyway, we'll open the box here. The box is a little bit broken. So there's the lid. So right on top, a little surprising, the honeycomb tray is just right on top here. So honeycomb tray, pull that off, and see what's under here. And there she is. So again, the HT-460. Probably should have done my homework on the math. I believe it's about 24 inches by 16-inch bed. So as you can see, it's a decent size. They've got it crated in this wood box. It looks like there's just some pieces. Here, Liam, can you take that? Just go put it somewhere else. So what I've already done this part. Basically, these were smashed over like that. So all these down the side. So I just pried them open. And again, that's on all four corners. So I've already done it to the front. So I want to see what's in this. So I'm going to hopefully be able to get this. There's a staple. Okay. So there she is. Looks like that's the chiller over here and the laser. And down inside there's another box. Just pull out the chiller. Chiller out. I didn't realize it came with this, but it actually is coming with an external fan. So that's awesome, because I was expecting I was going to have to buy that for exhausting. So we'll have to check that one out more in depth, because I don't know anything about it. So that's awesome. I wasn't expecting that. And now got the laser. So I'm going to take a break here for just a second and see if we can't get this out of the crate. So give me a minute. All right, we got it all uncrated. We got all that thrown away, which was not that big, not that bad, but it's a lot smaller than it used to be. So you can see now it's just a little guy. So anyway, we're going to take the plastic wrap off and see what else we have. There's some stuff under here. So it looks like we got some fuses and some tape of some sort and a bracket, I guess. And I guess we'll find out what that is. All right. So we will set this aside. Let's open the lid and see what we got. All right, look at that. We got all sorts of fun treasures in here. I have no idea what I'm doing. So it looks like it comes with a cone, which is awesome. Again, I thought I was going to have to buy that. Got some flex hose. I have no idea what that is, but we'll get. Oh, it's probably the other. I can't remember what it's called. The other tray that goes in. Liam, can you take that over for me?
Oh, yeah.
That's awesome. We got some more for you.
Go this way, sweetheart.
You go around this way. All right. So this looks like the rotary. I'm assuming. No. It's probably the air compressor. I'm assuming this is the air compressor. Cable. And we're going to have to pause for a second so I can get me a knife to cut that out. Alright, so I just cut the tape out here. And we should be able to get this box out now. Oh, that's heavy. Let's see what's in here. That's the rotary. So, well, that's probably just. Anyway, we'll look into that a little more later. Because that's quite heavy. But yeah, that's the rotary for doing tumblers and cups. So there we have it. We will dig into it more. That's it.